What's up, y'all? This is the first part of 100 Days in Sons of the Forest. Neither of us have ever played this game before, so hopefully it goes okay. Let's get into it.
Hopefully not.
Oh, what the hell?
Now, who invited you here?
Nobody, bruh. We got thrown onto this island. This guy. What?
I think he's dead.
Oh, I'm black.
Oh, I'm writing some down.
Oh, shoot.
And
We
I'm
gotta
putting
turn.
something
Yo,
on.
what's up, bro?
Hey, you're black.
Yeah, I know. No, guys, we are not racist. Oh, what the hell?
Ooh, that's
Ooh.
cool.
Oh, can you see my stuff?
No, I can't.
Emergency pack. This is weird.
You can break sticks with your knee. This guy's dead.
Shit. Tactical axe. I'll take it.
Where are we going first? I'm gonna look what I can craft real quick.
Let's see. Can we loot any of this? Oh, we can. Oh. Yeah, we need to loot this, bro. You grab one of it. Oh, what's this? Is this a flare? Interesting. You grab some of this stuff. That
Log ammo.
slug ammo. Yo, come grab some of this. Oh, I'll get
I got
one.
some.
Get one.
I got some.
Oh, okay.
What is this stuff?
Blue duct tape. Oh my god, this is quite a supply package, bro.
How do I put stuff back in my inventory?
C4? C4? Yo.
What?
What was that?
C4 brick.
Crossbow bolt. Oh, how did you move? How did you do it? Okay, this axe sucks. Oh, there's another. Yo, hold on, sneak. If I can. There we go, sneak.
Let's see. I'm holding a giant
Hold
log
on,
over here.
There's two squirrels. I'm gonna attack you. What the hell is wrong with you? In your face! Get out of here! Yeah, you're dead, bro. Whoa!
I just threw my log at him.
Oh shoot! Am I dead?
They can run?
Yeah. Where did I respawn at?
He just one-tapped me. Jeez. Did we keep any of our stuff?
Oh shoot! They tied me to a pole, bro.
Same.
This is my stuff. Okay. Oh, there's a moose. I would probably get murked by that thing.
I hit it with an axe.
Oh!
Alright, end of night one, we got the start of a new base going, and we have this dude. And
that was very nice.
then we got our tarps. Let's get some sleep.
We also saw our girlfriend, Veronica, or whatever her name is. That was pretty nice.
Veronica.
She showed
Yeah.
up. And, sleep.
Yeah.
See, did they leave us any nice messages, Rod?
Gotta eat dinner, bro. I ate one of those guys' limbs. So how do we get water? Are there cannibals?
Yeah, there's tons.
Alright.
Hiding in a bush. There's this big armored dude. One of those tribal ladies had her boobs out. Oh, fish! Get slimed, Slam.
They see me. They see me. Bone armor did not protect me.
Day 4, I went to cut this rope and put this guy out of his misery.
These guys are just gonna spawn camp me though. I feel like. Miles, I found like a wheel looking thing, like an engine of some sort.
Find team B, 1 out of 3.
Miles, look what I found. I'm coming to you.
What?
Miles, look at this thing though.
Why is it all packed up? That's cool. What the hell? How? Where did you find that?
At a cannibals camp.
Oh! There's a guy down here. Oh shit, he died. Oh! Bigger, better axe! Uh-oh. Max, you're burning, bro. Max, you're burning! You're burning!
We found our land.
Ooh, oh my god, ooh, majestic, bro.
All right, do you want to get like a big house built out here?
Yeah. So we gotta be careful.
Hey, this isn't start of the giant wall.
There we go, making them pointy.
What does that do? Can they not climb on it?
I don't know. It just looks like a fence more. I don't know. Cause that's what that guy
Yeah.
did. He got bone armor before he went out there.
I have that armor, don't I?
Oh shit, what'd I do? Oh yeah, that's right. What the hell? Max, look what you did. Interesting. What?
See somebody. We might have the first victim of a bow.
What is that? Holy airball. Uh-oh. It's running away. Oh, it's coming my way. Shit. Alright, let me cut down some trees. Oh yeah. Cue the montage. I'm gonna go work on that house. Quick little soda break. Here I had to replace the logs so that we would actually be able to put logs on top of the little mini log thingies. The hell you standing at me for, bro? Damn it. Another quick little montage. You have to pick
Like, that's good. We're going to seek.
the plate. Oh, I have some cereal. Let's get some of you. Yum. Yeah.
What is that?
What?
There's a guy that's painted like he's a deer.
Whoa! What the hell? Yo, this guy's on us! Hey, you just missed, dumbass. I got you.
There's another one coming right here. I'm gonna block him and then I'm gonna
Stabbed
kill him.
That's right, dumbass.
Bro, my
Yeah,
axe
dude.
is so slow. I'm gonna need your res again. I die.
Whoa, whoa there, twin. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
I'm dying here, bro. I need some help.
Sorry, I'm fighting this dude. Stuck, yeah.
Dead.
Damn, I just died. No!
Where's
Oh,
yours?
yo, Veronica's here. Veronica. Okay, I'm gonna go chop down this tree. Before I chop down this raccoon!
Eating, or speaking of drinking, are we next to water?
No, I do not.
Die. Killed the raccoon.
Hey, you.
Alright, end of day 6, we got started on a house, and
Yeah,
you
got
see
a
that
little
wall over
base.
there? It's gonna be keeping out a whole lot of stuff. Not right now, but soon.
Mhm. This will do. That's fucking force, bro. Oh my god! We can double take. Oh shit, I got slime. Alright.
Oh, there's a butterfly on my axe right now.
I can't see it.
That's cool. Get off my axe.
What is that, turn? Got the golf cart here.
Yeah.
Yeah! I'm gonna, I had to take out all of these, split planks so that I could actually put them down as a floor and rebuild the house, basically. My wanted. That is a unique fan base, bro. That's a different kind of person. Yeah, look at all these blocks.
I don't think like
2, 1.
I disrupt.
Swear.
Bro, I'm
Alright, floor, done.
I need to sleep. I'll be back there in a second. I can fight back.
Saved. Yes! Day 9, we went exploring. We went to the purple mark that was in the middle of the ocean. Hey, slime your bitches. Let's go swimming. Alright, yeah, I wonder what's in this orange gooey thing out here. There's a purple thing on it, so hopefully we get something.
Yeah. There's probably not anything in the water. It probably would have got by now.
Ow! What was that?
You good?
What did I just get?
I hear noise.
Oh! Oh! There's a shark! Oh!
No.
I'm not excited for the
Get me
swim
up
then.
here, bro. Get me up here. Get me up! Oh! Oh! Oh!
How do I get up here?
Oh my god. Oh, there's a gun!
Get me up here, Miles.
Bam!
Can I
Bam!
get,
Bam!
can I get up here?
That's a big ass shark, bro. After getting the gun, we made our way back. Home sweet home. Camp Maya or Camp Twin M. Oh, and there's some raiders here. Isn't that just nice of them to pay us a visit? I killed a couple of them with my pistol, and then I saw this guy with bone armor on, and it, like, didn't affect him. So, you know, that was...
Well, it affected that deer.
What's up, Veronica? Run, Veronica, run! Please, bro. So, we forgot to save day 9, and so we played a little off camera to get things back to around where they were, so it might look a little different than what it was before.
Are these doors?
You know how it goes. Time for another montage!
Mine.
Not smart. So we already. Okay, oh my gosh, bro.
Time to hydrate!
Right?
Make it like stew. You need to go.
And running and team building is gay. Did you see the thing about oh sweet.
Not smart. So we already. Okay, oh my gosh, bro. This guy's not very smart.
Right? History. I don't know, but all their stuff is gone now. Like all their little like teepee things are gone.
Most of day 12 was just building and killing cannibals.
What the red what? His dad.
I rally around Mr. Beast, Gringolas.
But I went to JP. I went one though. Well, it's because it rocked. No, it's
Piss off. I was done.
Day 13, it turned winter, so I spent most of it building and trying to get a roof over our heads so that we weren't freezing all the time.
Oh, original thought had on it was yesterday. Oh my gosh.
in the high school. Is that with a gold mask and a chainsaw looking thing?
Yeah, day 13 is just literally us building, so it's gonna be kind of a short day.
Today, she texted me, and I have a new strat. She texted me, no, Charlie. And then I started typing like I was gonna text right back, and then I knew she was looking at it, and then I still haven't texted her. Just want to assert my masculine aura to read Harry Potter with her. Instead, how you get? All right, let's sleep. Hopefully, we don't get invaded. Oh yes. Why did you just take bullets to the skull?
That guy took it like a good boy.
I'm just talking about that because one of the things that looks like envision greatness. Yeah, I love you might not be pressing this year. I hate cross so much. Track and for sure.
You know, day 14 was kind of the same as day 13. Really just spent most of it building.
I would not join the police force, bro. I'm gonna get shot I'm gonna get shot, or I'm gonna shoot somebody, and then everybody's gonna start hating me. Whoa. I'm not gonna choose flight. No, follow. I'm like a greyhound. No. Like, I just died. Girl.
No, Ronaldo has never scored a World Cup goal.
It's gonna be a tie game going into the 8th, and Q. Just gets bad.
Why, hello there, Veronica. And done. Day 15. If you've made it this far, I would hope that you liked the video. This took forever to make, and I would greatly appreciate if you considered subscribing. That's all. Thanks.
If I forgot this part of middle school rank. Yeah. Shit. Yeah, duo streaming.
Keep your channel secret. And keep it on the down low.
Oh shit, is that Veronica? She's such an interesting creature. Grrr. I proposed to Veronica! I do.
Yeah. Fuck. I'm gonna get my club out. He's dodged my. Fuck you. Did he just pick that guy up? Oh. Yeah. That must have been kind of fun, though.
And that's the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. Part 2 is coming out soon.